your life. If you win, you can lead. If you lose, you can guide.
A man who won the heart of millions. A man who inspired every youth of the nation with his inspirational words. Having such a great personality on the earth is certainly a boon to millions of people. It's none other than our nation's youth icon, Swami Vivekananda.
Presenting you a video about youth icon of our nation, Swami Vivekananda, on behalf of our Department of English, Idhaya College for Women, Kumbakonam.
Vivekananda hosted new enthusiasm for progress among the youth so much that the whole country celebrates his birth anniversary as National Youth Day. He is credited with making the Western countries realize that India was not a country of illiterates. With his light of wisdom, he proved that India was actually a world guru. He revealed to Western world the spiritual aspects of Indian civilization.
I am Swami Vivekananda. I am here to inspire you all my young people of this nation. I know you were fed up with lots of struggles during this pandemic period. Well, I am here to inspire you all my young people of this nation because you plays very important role in making of India of my dream. Youth is the best time. The way in which you utilize this period will decide your future. The aim is yours, so don't change it for others.
What inspired the youth to preach the thoughts of Vivekananda? Why Vivekananda's birthday is celebrated as National Youth Day?
In 1984, Government of India declared Swami Vivekananda's birthday as National Youth Day. The government quoted that the philosophy of Swami Vivekananda and the ideals for which he lived and worked would be a great source of inspiration for the Indian Youth Day. When we speak about Swami Vivekananda, the first thing that strikes in our mind is his delivery address in Chicago. Swami Vivekananda was religious but never a superstitious person. According to Vivekananda, religion is the manifestation of the divinity already in man. He also told religion is the idea which raised the brutal person into a man and man into God.
Swami Vivekananda stressed on the role of every youth in the making of India of his dreams. His noble life and message is a leading light to our lives. The youth should follow the ideals preached by Swami Vivekananda to make India a role model for other nations.
Thus, Vivekananda wanted the young to undertake social activities not merely for the betterment of society but also for their individual evolution and growth.